Hi, this is Prospex. Just going to show you another unboxing. As you can see, this is the box. Well, it's obvious. I think you know what box it is. This is a Seiko. So anyway, this is the white sleeve protects the main watch box. So then this box, as you can see there, nice Seiko. Here, across the receipt, and now one thing I just want to highlight to you guys that the packaging now looks really like a Grand Seiko. You have this like sort of like a paper sleeve. Inside here you can see this is the manual as well as the instruction. Another instruction. This is the 8L35 movement. So I'm not sure whether you guys can sort of guess what watch this is, but anyway, let me do the unboxing itself. Two hands. It's a limited edition Prospex, and the watch in question is SLA071 LANDMASTER. Limited edition, just 1,000 units globally. All titanium. Simple 3-hand date, compass bezel, screw down case back, ratcheting clasp that allows you to wear it above your winter clothing. But this is a LANDMASTER, and it's unbelievably light. I will do a full review about this watch on my blog. Do look out for it. Anyway, that's all for now for this unboxing. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Do follow the channel. I hope you can give me a like so that at least more people can actually see this posting. And thank you so much. Bye bye for now.